Now we're going to work on fixing this blade just a little bit.
Okay, that looks like it's going pretty good. Keeping the blade cool so it doesn't lose its heat treat. Now it just needs some work at the bottom. Okay. Now time to work on the other side of it. Have to loosen this. Oh, fell off. Okay. Guess I'll just do it like this. Looks good. We can work with this now.
All right.
This is good enough. Now with that, we fixed the bevels, and now with the work sharp, we can finish them to perfection. This is a machete I brought from Mexico for Brad, since when I told him that I was gonna go, he wanted some knife from Mexico, and I told him I'll bring him a Mexican machete. This is a Latin machete, and I brought him this, and we will make a video soon on how this is once we're done fixing it.